It's Wednesday, March 15th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And if Canada's airlines had a beef with federally regulated passenger rights before, they really won't like this. The Fed's confirming plans to close an often used loophole to avoid compensating travelers for canceled flights. The government reporting that rules surrounding safety concerns are going to be tightened up, with carriers having to prove that those safety issues are in fact real. Further to a leasing company's seizure of 4 737s from Edmonton-based Flair Air, while airline officials there have described the action as extreme and unusual, Airborne Capital has now countered by accusing Flair of routinely missing payments over the last 5 months, with arrears reaching into the millions of dollars. Spread the news and tell your friends about Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. A sharply higher price of gold, the aftershock of that U.S. bank failure, now topping $1,925 an ounce. Silver well above $22 an ounce. It's finally a done deal for Ritchie Brothers, shareholders of the Vancouver-based auction giant, approving the company's controversial acquisition of U.S. automotive salvage company IAA, despite concerns from a couple of investment firms. Back to the tarmac and one less option to travel between Vancouver and Cranbrook. Staffing issues blamed for Pacific Coastal Airlines' decision to end that route as of April 28th. A green light for a massive transportation-related project in Prince George, where City Council has now agreed to rezone a parcel of land for Delta-based Hydra Energy to build a $62 million hydrogen plant and fueling station for commercial transport trucks. And Facebook parent Meta makes it official, another 10,000 job cuts on top of the 11,000 employees they let go back in November. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.